Magandang araw, kabayan! Welcome to another episode of Kabayan Connect, the official podcast of the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai. Ako si Karen.
At ako naman si Gina. This March, we joined the whole nation in celebrating National Women's Month. Kaya naman ang episode natin today ay pinamagatang Rise. Because it's time we talk about breaking the glass ceiling. So Karen, ano ba ang glass ceiling?
Tita Gina, ganito kasi yan. When we say glass ceiling, we're talking about the invisible barriers that prevent women from rising to leadership roles. Kahit pag-gaano sila kagaling o kasipag. It's like being inside a room with a clear ceiling. Kita mo na ang top pero hindi mo maabot.
Hindi ito palaging obvious. Sometimes, it looks like being passed over for a promotion or being told you're too emotional for leadership or being praised for your work. Pero iba ang pinopromote. And yes, it's still happening even today, even here.
Kasi, Tita Gina, yung kita mo sa imagine mo, sumakses ka na. Pero sa reality, sa totoo, hindi ka sumakses.
Bakit ba kasi meron ito, Karen?
Part of the reason is gender bias, whether unconscious or not. Some workplaces still assume men are better leaders. Others believe women can't balance leadership and family life. And, sad to say, many women, especially Filipinas abroad, face double standards and stereotypes.
Dagdag pa dyan, may pressure sa ating mga kababaihan to be everything to everyone. Sa bahay, sa trabaho, sa komunidad. And when women do succeed, they're sometimes criticized for being too ambitious or too assertive.
Pero ito ang good news, Tita Gina. Filipinas are breaking through. From OFW leaders in the UAE to entrepreneurs, creatives, and community builders. We're seeing women rise and uplift others as they go.
Yes, may mga Pinay engineers, pilots, CEOs, doctors, diplomats, and even heads of companies here in Dubai and across the globe. They are challenging the norms and proving that leadership has no gender.
Dito mismo sa ating konsulado at sa Migrant Workers Office sa Dubai, 49 sa 94 na empleyado ay kababaihan. Sa bilang na yan, may 2 vice consuls, 3 assistant labor attachés, at 2 welfare officers. These women lead with excellence and compassion, setting the standard for public service abroad. Paano nga ba? Paano nga ba binibreak ang glass ceiling na ito?
Una, we empower each other, support, mentor, and celebrate women. When one woman rises, the rest follow.
Pangalawa, speak up. Challenge bias when you see it. Kahit mahirap, change only happens when we call it out.
Pangatlo, believe in your worth. Don't wait for permission to lead. Take the space you deserve.
Finally, we need allies, men who listen, respect, and support women in leadership. Breaking the ceiling is a team effort.
As we celebrate National Women's Month, we honor the strength, resilience, and brilliance of every Filipina here in the UAE and around the world.
Sa lahat ng nanay, ate, tita, office mates, and leaders out there, you are seen, you are valued, and you are unstoppable.
Let's keep pushing, breaking, and rising, because every crack in the ceiling is a step closer to change.
That's it for today's episode of Kabayan Connect. Join us again next time as we continue to connect,
Empower,
and celebrate our community. Muli, ako po si Karen.
At ako naman ang inyong Tita Gina, signing off.